In the previous video, we talked about how to create your own color palettes from scratch by understanding brand foundation, color psychology, and color harmony so you can build more intentional and professional designs. In this episode, we're going to take a faster approach and show you how to generate ready-made color palettes instantly using Canva, and the goal here is to help you create good-looking color combinations in seconds, especially for quick projects. If you're new here, or even new to the tool we're using, which is Canva, I highly suggest you watch our 20-minute course first before diving into this entire series. It's a short but comprehensive guide that will teach you everything you need to know to master the tool in just 20 minutes. Also, quick disclaimer, if you're serious about becoming a graphic designer, you need to start from the very beginning of this playlist and follow through every episode step by step. Each video is designed to build on top of the previous one, so skipping ahead might cause you to miss important concepts that will affect your progress later on. First thing you can do is head over to your browser and search for Canva Color Palette Generator, then click on the first result. Once you're inside, you'll see an option on the left side where you can upload any image. What Canva will do is automatically extract colors from that image and generate a full palette based on it. This is extremely useful because instead of guessing which colors work together, you're using real color combinations that already exist in a visual reference. After that, click the button that says Use in Design, and Canva will open a new canvas containing different shades and tints of the generated colors, giving you more variations to work with. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. To actually use these colors in your design, simply copy the color code of the specific shade you want. Then go back to your design, select any object or element, open the color picker, and click on the plus icon in the document colors section. From there, paste the color code into the input field beside the dropper icon, and Canva will instantly apply that color to your element. This method is one of the fastest ways to build a cohesive color palette without needing to fully understand color theory yet, while still producing clean and visually appealing results. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now learned how to generate and apply ready-made color palettes using Canva in just a few steps. If you want to continue improving and learn the next essential skill in graphic design, make sure to watch the next episode in this series, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.